Solve the triangle having the side A equals to 28 units, B equals to 38 units, and angle A measures 39 degrees. Okay, let us begin. So first what we'll do, we're going to construct a triangle ABC. Now for this triangle, the side opposite to angle A, which is BC, will be denoted by the letter A in lowercase, and it has a measure of 28 units. Then we have the side opposite to angle B, which is AC, that is denoted by the letter B in lowercase. It has got a measure of 38 units. And then the side opposite to angle C will be denoted by the letter C in lowercase. We have the angle measure for A given to us, that's 39 degrees. Our goal will be to determine the angle measure of B and C as well as the measure of the side C. Okay, now in this triangle, what we'll do first, we are going to consider the side that is opposite to the given angle, yes, 39 degrees. So we are going to consider A here. So A here is 28. So let's keep to the side for the time being. Next, we consider the other side, which is B, and we're going to multiply it to sine of the angle that is adjacent to that side. So that is the angle A to a B times sine E. So let's compute this value. We have 38 multiplied to sine of angle 39 degrees. We're going to substitute this value into our calculator, and that should give us 23.91 approximately. Clearly we can observe here that the side A is going to be greater than B times sine of angle A. Now when this particular criterion is met, this means that we have two triangles. Also, we have two triangles because the angle A measure, which is given to us, is an acute angle. So there will be two solutions, meaning we have two triangles. Okay, let's try to figure out the angle. So here we'll begin by considering the law of sines. The law of sine states that if we take the ratio of the side A to that of sine of angle A, this ratio is going to be equals to the ratio of the side B to that of sine of the angle B equals to the ratio of the side C to that of sine of the angle C. Now in our case, we are being provided with the values of side A and side B, so we're going to consider the first two ratio. So let's use the, so now we have A over sine of angle A equals to B over sine of angle B. We're going to use this value. So A corresponds to 28. Then we have sine of angle A. So angle A, that's 39 degrees. This is going to be equals to B. B is 38. So we have 38 over sine of angle B. So when we compute this value, then sine of B, that is going to be equals to 38 over 28 multiplied to sine 39 degrees. So let's plug this value into a calculator, and this should give us approximately 0.8540. However, what we need here is the angle B. So what we'll do, we are going to take the inverse sine function on both sides. So we get B equals to sine inverse of 0.8540. Now let's again plug this value into our calculator. So that is going to give us the angle 58 degrees and 40 minutes. However, this is not the only possibility. There is also another possibility. We could have B equals to 180 degrees minus 58 degrees and 40 minutes. So this is going to give us the angle 121 degrees, this is degrees, and 20 minutes. So this is going to be the other possibility of the triangle B. So now that we have the angle B, so what we'll do, we're going to find out the measure of angle C. Okay, so when we have B equals to 58 degrees and 40 minutes, in that particular case, A is given as 39 degrees, that's going to stay fixed. So measure of angle C can be obtained by taking the sum of B and A and subtracting it from 180 degrees. That means 180 degrees minus A plus B. So that is going to give us the value 82 degrees and 20 minutes. Or we could have the other possibility when we have angle B measure equals to 121 degrees and 20 minutes, and we have the angle A measure that is still going to be fixed at 39 degrees, and in that case the measure of angle C is going to be 19 degrees and 40 minutes. That is going to be the measure of angle C in the next case. So now we have found out the angle measure of all the three angle measures of the triangle ABC. So we have the two cases of the triangle. Now final task will be to obtain the measure of the side C in each of the two cases. So here what we'll do, we're going to use the law of sines, and let's use the third ratio C over sine of angle C. And we can equate them to any one of the two ratios. So let's use the first one, A over sine of angle A, which means that to find out C, all we have to do is take A and multiply it to the ratio of sine C over sine of angle A. We have the measure for C and A. We have the measure for A as well. So for the first triangle, the C value, it's going to be the measure of side C. That's going to be 44.09. You can verify that with the help of a calculator. And then the measure of side C for the other triangle comes out to be 14.97. So here we have successfully obtained the third side as well.